macam asalnya kalah kan dengan macam ni.
Senang tadi tu memang kalah.
Kan dia pun tengah kau apa?
Tak tahu. Tahu lah. Dia kalau tengok. Kalau tengok. Dia tu tak nampak dia.
Wait kejap. Ada group. Group X.
Group X.
Kau dapat?
Ya. Tak ada pula aku dapat. Group apa?
Entah. Dia cakap wait for next task. Sekejap ada send gambar.
Dia sini gambar.
Tengok.
Wala uqsimu bin nafsil lawamah. Siapa kau ni? Ano number? Hello? Hah? Apa ni? Jumpa esok? Okey, siapa ni? Dah off dah? Ya Allah, siapa
tomorrow.
Mesti satu pula Aduh, aku lupa. Pergi masjid.
Sorry sis. Aku minta maaf tadi aku lambat gila dah tadi. Aku baru bangun. Aduh, so mana kita nak pergi? Tiba-tiba dapat mesej baru. Jap, duduk. Simon. Aduh, ni ke soalan yang dia kata tu?
Mana?
Oh, question 1, question 2. So, task kita kena jawab soalan ni. So, siapa nak ambil question 1?
Aku.
Haikal. Question 2?
2A aku.
2B aku
Okay.
So, jom kita jawab soalan ni.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now, I'm gonna teach you about question 1. Let's go. So, this is what we'll do to get the equation to using the bisection method. So, first we substitute the value of R and Rn to the equation, to this equation. So, we just using normal thing. So, we just substitute and we will get this. So we can cut this square and D. So this is gonna be just 16 and this is just D. So next, multiple 16 and 20 and 16 into this for 400. So we will get this. Okay, so next we will to eliminate the set, we will square both side. So we will get this. Just cancel the set number, this and this, and we will get this. So this is the equation that we will use for the bisection method. Using this equation, which is when the FA multiplied by FM, if we get the positive, so the A will be the dimension. So if FB multiplied by FM, we get negative. So P will be the dimension. Okay. So this is error. So this error is when the B minus by M. So this is So we will get the negative. So we know if the negative sign, we will get the B equal to the new median. So B will be the new median. Okay, so median will be at B. Okay, so 0.1 is the same thing. Okay, so the same thing we will do. Both we will plus and divide by 2. So we will get 1.325, and we just gonna to substitute to the equation. So we will get negative sign. Fm is also negative sign. So minus the push this, we will get the error. So it is 1.225. Okay. The same thing we just gonna do until we will get until the error is reached 0.001. Okay. Okay, at the end you will get the error is the same with the what question 1. So this is median will be the gonna the final answer. So D is D is 2.4902. This is the
Hey, my X-file is question 2, so we need to solve question 2. The question is, a balloon moves in the xy plane according to the law x equal to a and y equal to bt squared, where a more than 0, b more than 0. Determine the balloon trajectory y, x, and a sketch graph. The second question, the speed of the balloon as a function of time t. And the third question, the angle between the velocity vector and the x-axis. We given x equal to 80 and y equal to bt squared. And we simplify the equation of x equal to 80 in the terms of t equal to x over a, and we plug it in y equal to bt squared, which is tx over a. We got this equation and we simplify, we got y equal to b over a x squared. And so, meaning that this is y equal to mx plus c. This is the equation. So, the graph we got is like this, because this is the quadratic, and which they say in equation a equal to 0 and b more than 0. A more than 0 and b more than 0, which is the both is positive. So, we just take the positive part of the graph. The third question, we need to find the angle between the velocity vectors and the x-axis, which is velocity and the x-axis. So we got this graph, which is when we want to determine the angle, so we need to use tangent, which is opposite and adjacent. And we got the tangent minus 1 equal to 2bt over a, and this is the angle of the velocity vector and the x-axis. Thank you.
Okay, this is my question. Okay, so I will put it on the whiteboard. Yeah. Okay, so how to answer this question? Find velocity, acceleration and speed by position function rt equal to 2 cos ti plus 3 sin tj minus to 0, and sketch the path of the particle and draw the velocity and acceleration vectors for the specified values of t. You see these equations. Okay, so I will write again the equations. 2 cos ti plus 3 sin tj equal to 0. We'll use the black marker. Okay, so the first one you need to find the velocity. So how do you want to find the velocity? By differentiate it. Okay, so the velocity of r prime t is equal to, okay, cos. If you divide, then you got the negative sign, plus sine, then you need to divide, you got the 3 cos tj equal to 0. The next question asks us to find the acceleration. How you want to find the acceleration? By differentiate this vt. So okay, it's also equal to, okay, negative 2 sin ti. If you differentiate, we will got the negative 2 cos ti plus 3 cos tj. If you differentiate, we got negative 3 sin tj equal to 0. If you want to find speed, you need to use this. So A for that part is negative 2 sin t, while the B is the 3 cos t, and the C is 0. So didn't finish our question yet. We need to let t equal to 0.
Okay, based on the graph that we got, so this explanation is equation of an eclipse with center 0, 0. The vertices of the x-axis are 2, 0 and negative 2, 0, formed by taking a equal to 4 equal to 2 and moving to the left and right of the center on the x-axis and axis. Sorry, the vertices on the y-axis are 0, 3 and 0, 3, 0, negative 3, formed by taking b equal to 3 and moving up and down from the center of the y-axis. To find the position of the particle at time, we need to, at time t equal to 0, we take the position function rt equal to 2 cos ti plus 3 sin tj and substitute the t equal to 0 to obtain r0 equal to 2 cos 0i plus 3 sin 0j, which is equal to 2, 0. The terminal point of this vector 2, 0 keeps the initial point to the plot. The velocity and acceleration vectors at t0 we found above v0, which is 0, 3, and a plug in 0, we got the negative 2 and 0. The following shows the result of the graph with the equation of the eclipse plotted in green, the velocity vector v03 in blue, and the acceleration vector a, negative 2, 0 in red. Thank you.